Welcome to Marty Loves Homes. I'm Marty Pettiford, your Locust Grove Realtor. Today, we are back in the neighborhood of Heron Bay. We are featuring some floor plans from Heatherland Homes. Now, these homes are currently under contract and under construction, but I wanted to give you an inside peek of what they would look like if this is something that you're interested in. So behind me, we have the Jasmine floor plan. It's probably their second most popular floor plan after the Cobalt, but it's 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and it features 2 separate porches. And specifically on this home, it's on a basement and it has amazing views. So I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough so you can get to see what this home has to offer. So one of the main things that I like about this floor plan already is the nice tall glass doors that you get at the entryway and this amazingly large front porch that's perfect for sitting and enjoying a cup of tea. So as soon as you walk in, you're in the entryway and you're immediately greeted by the formal dining room. This formal dining room has coffered ceilings, it has the chair railing, all that detailed woodwork, and it adds an elegant touch to the front entryway. So moving right along past the stairway upstairs, and keep in mind it's still under construction, so there is a lot of finishes that need updating, that need to be put in, and stuff on the floor. But you walk into the kitchen living room combo. So I love that there's so many windows and it's very bright and open, and the views of the reservoir on this particular lot are amazing. So now we're going to take you to the first level guest room, or it could be used as an office, which is what I would probably use it for. It's nice and spacious. It could fit a king size bed, it looks like, in here, and it has a very decent sized closet. So it will be perfect for any guests or for an office. And over here, it has its own bathroom with a tub, with tile surroundings. I don't know if you can see because it's kind of dark in there. And when you come out here, you're now into the living room. One of the things that I don't necessarily like about the living room is just how cramped it is. So if you have large furniture, it might be a little hard trying to get it centered over the fireplace if that's where you want your focal point of the room to be. But typically you put the TV over the fireplace and you would have the chairs around here, but it looks a little tight, especially with the French doors from the patio swinging open. That's something to consider. Now on this side, it's going to be, looks like an eat-in kitchen area, which is a decent size for a table and chairs just to have breakfast. But you also have, as another option, you also have this island with bar stool seating. And it looks like you can sit comfortably 2, maybe squeeze 3 in there. But that could also be another place to eat. They just keep opening and closing by themselves. One of the reasons why I love Heatherland Homes is because they do include a lot of upgrades already in the price. And one of those upgrades is the double oven. So that's what this will be. And it actually, now I'm looking at it, it actually is probably going to be an oven on the bottom and a microwave on top. But it has the hooded vent. This is very nice. Probably, if I would guess, level 2 granite. Level 2 granite. So that's a nice upgrade. And your refrigerator would go right here. I don't know what the tile backsplash is going to be, but it will be tile backsplash because that's how this builder rolls. And very nice gray cabinets in this. Is it soft close? Yes, it is. My favorite part. So through here, you see there's access to the dining room again, but this is the stairwell to the basement. So we're not going down there, but just know there's a basement. But what I really want to show you is this porch. So you have 2 of them on this floor plan, and one is on this side off the living room and the other one is adjacent off of the kitchen area. And just look at this view of the neighborhood. You get some houses, but that main view is of the Coal Reservoir, which is in the center of Heron Bay, and you have a front row seat to it every morning. I would definitely drink some coffee out here in the morning. It's cute. And just to show you the other side, we're gonna go over here, and this actually is a smaller deck, but it has access to the backyard through a stairwell. So slightly smaller, but you can get to your backyard from here. So coming back inside, we have the entrance to the garage door, which is a 2-car garage, and a room that I originally thought was a mudroom, but I think now it's a pantry. So if that's the case, that's a very nice sized pantry. And there's the garage. So now we're gonna head up the stairs, and just so you know, this builder, all their stairs come with hardwood on the stairs. So it's never carpet, it's always hardwood oak. So let's take a look and see what's upstairs. So right off the stairway, you have this beautiful, well-lit loft. And this could be set up anyway. I love lofts like this because it could either be a great playroom or a great just hang out and read a book kind of room. And right off of this is a secondary bathroom. And it leads into one of the secondary bedrooms. And then through this way, you're back out on the catwalk. So I'm gonna take you this way to the next secondary bedroom, which also has its own bathroom right here. They're roughly the same size, but what I really like about it is that each of them have their own bathroom. And that's a nice touch. Now we're back in the hallway where we started. Here is the laundry room, and it comes with cabinetry, which is a very nice touch because you don't get cabinets in a lot of new builds. They usually put that wire rack, so I like the cabinet touches. And lastly, we have the primary suite, which is huge, by the way. So in the primary suite, you have your living room area over here and your sleeping area right here. It also has a little closet on the side over here, in addition to what's in the bathroom, and I'll show you that next, but look at this closet. It's pretty big. You might not be able to see that well, but it's a decent sized closet. And then the bathroom has a standing shower. It'll be enclosed in glass, a very large soaking tub, and double sink vanity. You have your water closet right here and more closet space. Now I'm not sure how this is set up because I haven't been into a finished Jasmine floor plan yet, but I'm assuming this is a closet and this is a closet. And if that's the case, then whoever gets this floor plan is super lucky. I'm gonna shine my light so you can see. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more beautiful homes in the Atlanta metro area, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions about this home or any other homes featured on my channel, my information is in the description below. Give me a call.